In today's video, I am super excited because the new spring styles have come out. I have gorgeous spring dresses, all with a romantic flair to them. I have something for everyone. I have short sleeved, I have no sleeved, and I have long sleeve. I have dresses for all body types and many with very inclusive sizing. So please watch till the end because all of these dresses I've hand curated for you all. Let's get started. My name is Lori Hill, and on this channel we talk about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. All the things that make us look and feel beautiful. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any future uploads. For this first look, I picked up this dress by Jessica Simpson. The moment I saw it, I knew I had to bring it home and try it on. I love the maxi length to it. I love the high waist, and I love these puff sleeves. It just feels so light and airy. I'm wearing the Jessica Simpson Emmory tiered maxi dress, and this one just feels really pretty and feminine. The fabric is soft and lightweight with a little bit of stretch, so it's pretty comfortable while still holding its shape. This fit is a classic silhouette, and I love the sweetheart neckline. The tiered skirt flows beautifully, you guys. Perfect to easily put on for a date night or a walk on the beach, which is my favorite. I love that you could just throw this on and easily feel put together without too much effort. Comes in sizes extra small through XL. This dress is by Celebrity Pink. This is in their Bridgerton collection. I'm wearing the Bridgerton Celebrity Pink Basque waist midi toile dress. This one just has such a romantic vintage vibe to it. The fabric is rayon and cotton blend. It feels soft yet breathable, but I want to emphasize how light this dress feels on. The fit and flare silhouette is very flattering, and I love, again, a sweetheart neckline with this little bow detailing that is just so feminine and sweet. Something I really love is the adjustable straps on the back, so important for a great fit. Because I do wear a larger bra size, I was concerned about the fit through the bust, but I went ahead and ordered my usual size, and because of these adjustable straps, it was a perfect fit. The midi length and the toile print really make it feel just a little bit more special. You can just pull this on. There's no zipper, no nothing. This is a great dress for a brunch, for a wedding shower, for a baby shower, an open house. It's such a sweet and feminine look. Now it also is fully lined and it's machine washable. Comes in sizes extra small all the way up to 4X. So for my larger chested ladies, this is your dress. This look by Celebrity Pink is the long sleeve midi dress. This one has such a pretty romantic feel to it. Now, some of you saw the video where I tried these on in the fitting room and instantly fell in love. I love how this one can fit on top of your shoulders or down for a more romantic and feminine look. The fabric is 100% polyester with a full lining, so it has a nice structure while still feeling comfortable to wear. I love the sweetheart neckline with yet another tie detail, and it makes it feel more expensive. Now, the long sleeves and the midi length make it feel a lot more elevated. This is one of those dresses you could wear on a date night or just during the day. It's fully machine washable and it comes in sizes extra small all the way up to 4X. Now for our next look, I'm wearing the Free Assembly Women's and Women's Plus sleeveless belted cotton midi dress. This dress has such a polished, easy feel to it. I really like that this dress doesn't show too much while still being a fitted silhouette. The silhouette is a regular fit with a gently sheared waist and a square neckline with bra-friendly tank straps. It gives it a really clean, flattering look. Now, the midi length of this dress keeps it feeling a bit more elevated and polished. Now, I've also paired it with this beautiful cardigan. I just fell in love with this cardigan. I thought it was just so cute. And it's the Free Assembly Women's and Women's Plus cotton pointelle cardigan sweater with short sleeves. This one is 100% cotton. It has such a quality feel to it. looks so much more upscaled than what you would normally find. It's lightweight, 100% cotton with a Peter Pan collar and short puff sleeves. Comes in sizes extra small through 4X. Next up is the Celebrity Pink Women's and Women's Plus long-sleeved midi dress. And again, this very much like the other long-sleeve dress has that fitted bodice, but it has this beautiful lace detailing down the front. You have to see this dress on. It also has the sweetheart neckline with the bow detailing and the beautiful tiered skirt. This one is also lined, which is incredible. So there's no see-through quality at all to it. The fabric is lightweight polyester with a lining so it feels comfortable while still holding its shape nicely. It features that beautiful corset style waist. The long sleeves and midi length make it feel a bit dressier, so it's a really great option for something like a date night or a nice lunch out. And it's also machine washable. It comes in sizes extra small all the way to 4X. 3 more dresses to go, and my favorite one is coming up, so please keep watching. So this dress by No Boundaries turned out to be my absolute favorite dress in the whole video, and it was so hard to get because it was accidentally put on clearance when it's actually not a clearance item. It is just a gorgeous dress. So this dress is by No Boundaries, and it's the Flutter sleeve midi dress. The fabric is 100% polyester and it's fully lined, so it feels comfortable while it's still holding its shape nicely. The fit is a slim silhouette that really highlights the waist, and I love the V neckline. The smocked back bodice and tie in the back help keep it comfortable while still giving you that more fitted shape through the waist. The midi length and little floral print makes it perfect for spring and summer. This is one of those dresses you could easily throw on and feel dressy without having to go to all the trouble of putting together an outfit. And it's a simple pullover style. It's machine washable and comes in sizes extra small through extra large. Next up is this dress by Free Assembly, and it's the Women's and Women's Plus embroidered cotton midi dress. And this one has such a pretty summery feel to it, while also being a bit heavier in weight, so it can take you from spring to summer. It's made from 100% cotton, so it's really breathable and comfortable, especially on warmer days. I love the square neckline with the thin adjustable straps. The little floral embroidery adds that really nice detail that makes this dress feel a bit more special. It's fully machine washable and comes in sizes extra small all the way to 4X. Last but definitely not least is the Bridgerton women's tieback midi dress. This dress can be worn 2 ways. You could wear it without the adjustable straps and just have the tie back, and it's pretty secure. I would say for my larger chested ladies, opt for the straps. It has such a romantic Bridgerton inspired feel to it. The fabric is rayon and polyester blend, so it's soft with a nice drape while still holding its shape. This is one of those dresses, again, that you could just throw on and feel like you're ready. It's not fussy and doesn't require too much adjusting. Comes in sizes extra small through 3XL. Remember that the links are down below to all of these dresses. When you use these links, I do make a small commission. Let me know down below in the comments, which dress can you see yourself in? Please remember to like and comment. It helps my channel so much. Also, let me know any other fashion, beauty, or skincare topics you may want me to cover. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Love you. Bye.
Bye.